Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Remember this multifunction emergency radio? I really like this radio. I'm not just saying it so you'll go buy one from my store. I get this in my store. I really like this radio. It has a lot of function. And I realized, well, I didn't realize, I got another radio from iRONSNOW. This is from iRONSNOW. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And the other radio is quite a bit more in price. And I'm like, but it, function-wise, it's about the same. You'll see the difference in a few seconds. So I wrote the seller, and I asked him why this one was a lot cheaper. And he told me, duh, this one's on sale. I'd be darned. So this one's on sale on Amazon right now. It's in my Amazon store, and it's $25, $24.95. The next one I'm going to show you is $37 because it's not on sale yet. Now, that's the one thing about Amazon. I check Amazon every morning, maybe a couple of times a day, because they have fantastic sales, especially this time of the year. So you can get radios and other equipment really discounted in the summertime. And so this one is discounted. That's why it's only $25. And this is the IS399. And I did a whole bunch of shows on this, so you can go back and see those shows and see what it's about. All right, let's move over. What you were listening to is its sister or brother right here. This is the iRONSNOW 388, and it's all for sale, but it's not really super discounted like this one is right now. It's $37. Now, this one the gentleman told me this one's going to go back up soon, so got to get on that if you want this one. This one has a few enhancement, I'll call it, and I'll show you that right now. Let me move this out of the way. All right, so this is just like the other one in that function-wise it's the same. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Okay, it is FM, AM, 2 shortwave bands, NOAA and NOAA alert, and MP3 player. That's what you were hearing right there. Is where you put the little MP3 card right in there. That's what you were hearing at the beginning. It also has 2 lights, similar to the other one, but slightly different. It's got this one here that has one large lamp, and let's see, let's turn the light on right now. There it is, right? Whoa, there it is right there. So it's got that one. Turn that one off, and we turn this one on. Here is the lamp. It's a little different, a little more convenient than the other one. And I'll show you that difference real quick. The other one is right here on the side. Okay, but the same brightness. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 LEDs, and this one had 8. So it's a little brighter. I don't know about power consumption. Okay, let's turn that off before I run the battery down. Now it's fully charged, so there's no chance I'm going to run the battery down in this show. Tuning is different. This one, and I mentioned this in one of my shows, has this tuning knob right here, and then on that knob you can see 2 little arrows for pointing either up on this scale or pointing down on these scales. And that's it. So that's all you got. And you just crank it. There you go. Now this one has the slide rule, I call it, dial. The conventional analog dial. Tune it like, whoops, like such. So it's a lot easier to read the dial and figure out where you're at. Again, these dials are not real accurate, but they're close enough. So we got up at the top, we've got NOAA channels, we got FM frequencies, AM frequencies, shortwave, shortwave 2. A little more convenient than this dial. Don't you think? What do you think? I think it's a little more convenient. Yeah, let's kind of just Everything else I would say is about the same. Pretty much so. I'll go through switches right now. This is the track when you're playing from the SD card. Track back, track forward, pause, and play. This is the band selection. This is the light selection, either this one or that one. And then this is the siren and charge, just like the other one. So those features are the same. The handle is quite different. The handle folds down completely out of the way. See there? The handle's gone. See? It's out of the way. This one, the handle is basically built in. Now, I would say this handle, maybe not as convenient, but it's sturdy. This one, I'd be a little concerned about it. It's kind of lightweight, especially when it narrows down here to where the hinges are. A little lightweight there. And it's got like a double hinge there to fold it down flat. Gotta be careful you don't break that. It's got I think the solar panels, maybe this one is a little larger. If I had a ruler, I could measure it. Hey, what'd you do with your ruler, Tom? Stand by. I never come prepared. This one, the width is, let's go to centimeters so we can measure a little more accurate. Is about 3 centimeters exactly. And this one is, yeah, it's about a little over 2. So this has a bigger solar panel. How much of a difference that makes in charging? I don't know. I don't know if you can notice the difference. I'll do a solar test to see. Antennas, let's see. There's the antenna. It's, let me use some inches. Inches now, I understand those better. 14 inches. This one, maybe a little shorter. Definitely a little lighter weight. We see, 14 is, antennas are the same. Okay, another thing that's a big difference. Let me put this down before I break it. I get really clumsy nowadays. Is the crank on this one is considerably different. Number one, it's large, it's longer, so you get more leverage, easier to turn. I'll show you the old one. This is the other one, right there. Considerably shorter, and it's beefier, I would say a little bit, not a great one. But this one, you know, you should hold it like this, I guess, and you'd crank it. Oh, it's still pretty tough to crank for me, the old man, but it's a little bit easier with that longer handle. Battery compartment down here. I think let's see. Oh, look at that. Now, I haven't even opened the battery compartment on this one because it requires a screwdriver. Okay, stand by. Let me find a screwdriver. Oh, geez. Oh. Let me find a screwdriver. I haven't really had to put batteries in here because the internal battery lasts a long time. Stand by. Again, I haven't done my homework. Don't want to lose that screw, man. That would be a disaster. All right. Okay, you can see, or you can't see, the internal battery. So it's got a slot for 3 AA batteries, where this one, I think this is cool. This is almost justifying the fact that this is not on sale. It has room for the 3 regular batteries, 3 AA's, and here's your rechargeable battery. It's one of these 3.7 volt batteries. See that battery right there? It's removable, which means you can put a different battery in there. And like me, I've got several of these because a lot of things are using these batteries. Like flashlights nowadays are using these batteries. You can have multiple ones and have them charged up. I think I am so glad they did that, made that removable. Because the other thing is, let me put it this way. These batteries come from China, not the best quality. They work pretty good, but they're not the best quality. And so now you can remove it and put a more expensive domestic one in there. I like that feature. Oops, let's put that in there crooked. All right, Tom, get you back together. There we go. No, I still don't have it on straight. I'm so impatient. All right, let me set it down like it's supposed to. There. If you do it right, it's easy. So I like that. Now this one, I don't see any way to get that to that internal battery easily. You have to take all these screws out. No telling what might happen when you did that. So that's a drawback. Basically, I will say the internal battery on this radio is not easily replaceable. This one you saw, piece of cake. So big advantage on that one. Now I'm starting to lean towards this one as opposed to this one. Of course, I have to admit, this one was sent to me by the seller. The other one I bought myself. Matter of fact, he saw my review of this one, and he says, "You want to review this one?" And he sent it to me. Wasn't that cool? I love that when it happens. Anyway, let's go back. I think I've covered everything. Charger right here. This is the external output. If you want to charge a cell phone or something else, this is your mini connection or micro connection, so you can charge the internal battery. And this is the SD slot right here. Going kind of fast, I know. I'm not holding it steady enough for the darn camera to focus. I think that's about it. On, off, volume. Yeah, that's it. So, if you're interested in one of these, let me say that again. If you're interested in one of these, I've got it on my Amazon store. $37 right now. Nice sound. Really good. Let me turn the sound back on. Come on, Tom. What are you doing here? Okay. Very good sound. That's it. About 1/8 volume. That's pretty loud for me now. I don't know if my microphone is picking it up very well or not. Turn it up a little bit. I gotta stop. It's starting to hurt my ears. I have to stop. So I was about maybe 3/4 volume. So this has quite a bit more volume. I can't tell where the speakers are. I think the speaker is right here. I don't think it has two speakers. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have two. I think the speaker is right here, because this I can see a shiny background down in those holes. This one, it's black down in those holes. So I think that's where the speaker is, right there. About the same size as the other one. It seems to have a little more volume than the other one. So this is definitely an upgrade from the other one. Pretty cool. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Again, this is an emergency radio. When you lose power or you're out in the woods, it doesn't have to be emergency. Maybe you're just camping. You can take this with you. You got AM, FM, shortwave, no weather, and MP3 music off the card right here. Pretty cool. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.